Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner. Today I have got an unboxing for you from the company ArtBusy. Now, they do ship in just a standard black box. Although I have gotten one canvas from them that was in a white box, but that was only one time. So the majority of the kits I've received have come in a black box like this. Now, this box has minimal damage. Really, I would not even consider it damaged at all. There's just a couple little dents in it, so that is wonderful. But this company is a very good quality company. They have got tons of images to choose from. They have in-house artists. They have you can choose what size canvas you want, what type of drills, and everything. So, you know, they leave all the options open. Plus, it is free worldwide shipping. So when you purchase something from the company, you're purchasing the item and that's it. You don't have anything else that you have to pay for. Alright, so that's all that's in this box. And the canvas that I chose, it does come with a standard toolkit, which is a white tray with a spout. You get a pair of metal bent tweezers. You get a single placer pen with a 3-placer, and then you get a double square of wax. And then it's got a little bit of dirt on there, but that's fine. So the canvases are poured glue. They are flocked on the back. It's that very soft, felty velvet material. And it is scalloped. Look, I've already got dog hair on them. But it is scalloped on the edges. And this is the canvas that I chose. So up at the top, you can see it does have their logo, which is a little black and white cat, and it says ArtBusy. And then over here on the top left, you've got the canvas number, you've got the size, which this one is a 45 by 50, and RD stands for round. So you could get this in a square if you wanted to, and I'm sure it would say SQ or something. I don't know. Honestly, I have not gotten a square canvas from this company yet, and I really need to do that because I have just been doing all the rounds. So this does have a schematic on the top right and the lower left. It is showing 40 colors. Now, this canvas did not come with any kind of special drills, but if I wanted fairy dust or if I wanted ABs, I could have chose that. Now, what you would do would be when you click on an image, you scroll down and it will show you a listing of, you know, 30 by 40 round, 30 by 40 square, 40 by 40 round, 40 by 40 square, and you just go down to and you pick whichever size you want, if you want round or if you want square. And if it does come with specials, you can choose whether you want fairy dust or if you want ABs or if you want a canvas that has both. So I really like that they give you those options. So I love this image. I love the colors because you have got really all the colors. But you have got little dog paw prints and hearts. And this canvas is actually called Colorfull Love and Footprints. So you can see that it does come with a inventory sheet. And I will take that out. I really love that this is so colorful. So it does have the inventory sheet. Now this is just a piece of paper. It's not a sticker. But if you've got one of those Xyron machines, you can run that through it and make your own stickers. But this is 1 through 8 and then A through Z. And then you've got a few symbols down here at the end. It does have your AB, or your ABs. It has your DMCs listed. And then it has the quantity of the drills that you're going to need. And then it has the weight of the bags. So I like having these. I mean, I don't have to have it, but I do like having it. So you can see there are all kinds of colors. Now I do like that they do put on their bags, they'll put their company name on there, which is ArtBusy. They'll put the number of the drill bag, which this is number 34, which will correspond with number 34. It also has the DMC number listed on the sticker, and then it has the grams, the weight of the bag. But I think these are so nice. I've had no issues with drills. Very pretty. Look at that, 907. I've not ran out of drills. I've had no issues with that. They give you plenty of drills. Look at this big old bag of 310. That's a big bag. So the colors are really, really, really pretty. Alright, and I'm going to put that back in there so I don't lose it. I always mess these up. Never fails. Look at those colors. All the colors of the rainbow. So pretty. But I will let you see. It'll focus. Now, it's not blurry. It is my camera. It's not wanting to focus. But it is very clear. All the symbols are clear. Very sticky. So what do y'all think? I like this one. Very, very cute. Very nice. And you know what? If you have your own ABs or crystals or any type of specials, you can put these on, you know, you can add. Just because they didn't have any specials in this one doesn't mean you can't add your own. So I think it would be pretty with some, maybe some pink ABs in the hearts. So yeah, very pretty. Like I said, this is a 45 by 50. You can get this from a 40 by 30 on up. And I think the largest canvas is 100 by 120, I think. And this canvas was only $20 for the 45 by 50. It was 20 bucks. So that's not bad at all. So, alright, well that is all that I've got for you today. I will leave a link to this in my description box along with my discount code. That way you can use it at checkout and get 10% off your purchase. So yeah, let me know if anybody has worked with this company and what do you think about it. Alright, I didn't realize there was so much glare. Sorry about that. Alright, anyway, that's all I got for y'all today, and I appreciate you watching. And until my next video, I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.